One of the hardest parts about chronic fatigue syndrome, without really having to say it, is the fact that it's really an invisible illness. You know, when you break your arm or you break your leg, you go to the doctor gives you a cast, they put it around your arm or leg, your broken bone, and you walk out with this physical object that says to the world, I'm in pain. I've hurt myself. And then the world responds with sympathy and empathy. It says, oh my God, are you okay? What happened? Is there anything I can do? The problem with chronic fatigue syndrome is that no one can see it. At least not initially. And you might look fine on the outside, but on the inside, you're really, really struggling. And I think the hardest part about that is the fact that the outside world cannot see it. You are so isolated, but on the outside, in the physical world, people can't see it. And so you get very little empathy, you get very little understanding, and usually you get a lot of misconceptions. Oh, you're just not motivated. You're just depressed. You know, I think one of the biggest problems that the outside world that I see, people who aren't experiencing chronic fatigue syndrome, is that they say, well, isn't chronic fatigue syndrome just all in your head? Maybe you just need to push yourself more. Maybe you're not trying hard enough. Maybe you need to be more positive and just smile more. You literally want to slap that person in the face. And if you're one of those people who is trying to support someone with chronic fatigue syndrome and you're saying these kinds of things, maybe your intention is good, but just understand how hurtful that can be when someone is really in the depths of despair and really, really struggling.